Welcome to this program, Deep Relaxation Meditation. Congratulations on taking this big step forward to achieving deep relaxation and receiving all the benefits that can come from it. Relaxation is an important aspect of a healthy lifestyle, and yet, in this modern world, so many people seem to struggle with it, unable to quiet that busy mind, wind down, and just relax. One of the easiest ways to gain a deep and rejuvenating relaxation is by practicing meditation regularly. Unlike sleep, meditation gives us the ability to relax the body and mind while being in complete control of the experience. We can set how long to meditate for, what the intention of the meditation is, and what mental experience to have while in the meditative trance. In this course, I will introduce you to the concepts of meditation, dispel many of the myths and misconceptions surrounding meditation, cover the science behind it, and outline many of the different types of meditation that are available. I'll teach you techniques to quiet your mind and teach you the basics of how to meditate. I've also included incredibly powerful guided meditations that will help you achieve that deep relaxation even faster, as well as plenty of other stuff too. I'm sure you'll find that you already possess many of the skills required to meditate successfully. Meditation should be easy, fun, and can often be enlightening. It is my hope that by following this course and putting what you learn into practice, you can introduce meditation as a regular part of your life and gain so many benefits that your life can improve dramatically.